Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we would like to say a big thank you to all of you who have been continuously supporting us. To be honest with you, we have been so overwhelmed with your messages and love and support what we are getting. I can't express that in my words. So just please continue supporting us, and all those who are the new people here on our YouTube channel, please do consider subscribing. If you like our videos, also share with your family and friends, and like and press the bell icon and all sorts.
Do it all. So we have received so many requests from you guys to make ghee out of double cream, and yeah, so inshallah we're gonna make that today. So come on, mister.
We've got a lot to do. Come on, Begum, let's make the ghee with double cream.
Chalo.
I've got double cream here. In each container it's 600 milliliters, so altogether I've got 1.5 milliliter. You can take as much or as less as you want. So the process will be, first of all, we're going to make makhan out of this double cream, and from that makhan then we will make the ghee. So let's make makhan. So the process is, we will be pouring this into the blender and start blending it.
So he's adding half of the container, which is 300 milliliters, and the reason is it's more faster process. Now he's adding ice cold water. We actually used a cup that we normally have tea in, but if you are measuring using a measured cup, it is 1 1/3 cup. So we're going to keep on blending until we see the butter and the buttermilk separate, and it's nearly there. There you go, the butter and the buttermilk have separated, and now I'll show you what to do next. So when you're on your next batch, make sure you disregard the buttermilk and start the process again, so with the double cream and the ice cold water. So my husband's just removing the buttermilk from the butter, and this butter makhan is ready. You can use this on your toast, curries. It's super healthy. We are going to be using this butter in our ghee now. So yeah, you can store this in a container and just leave it as makhan. My husband is removing the buttermilk from the butter. There was quite a lot still in there, so just squeezing like so, and yeah, just making sure it's all gone. So now I'm making the ghee using this butter. Heat on slightly high until the butter is melted. So the butter is now melted. If you've seen my butter ghee recipe, you will know that I add either 2 tablespoons of chapati flour or 2 tablespoons of semolina. Today I've used chapati flour, and the reason why I do this process is that any salt that possibly is in there will be fully removed. So now I'm reducing the heat to low to medium. I'm going to cook this until the foam has reduced and the liquid is more clear. So the milk solids are separating. Just a few more minutes to go. The ghee in itself took about 20-30 minutes. So the foam is fully reduced, the ghee is clear, and that tells me it is now ready. And the smell, oh my days! Another way to find out that the ghee is ready, you will notice brown bits at the bottom of the pan. Just separating any milk solids that could be in the ghee or any bits using a strainer. You can use a muslin cloth or a cheesecloth. And yeah, I just store this now in the cupboard and it's ready to use. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe, like and share. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.